Hi, welcome to this course. I would like to start by saying that I'm really proud of you that you took a step forward towards your dreams. Because this is what mindful planning is all about. It's about you achieving your desired dreams. My name is Diana with an unpronounceable surname Baltrushitite. I usually like to say that I'm a creative life explorer because I like to integrate creativity, planning and mindfulness in my daily life activities. Within the past 4 years, I have been helping and coaching people on time management, mindfulness and organizing as a life and time management coach. I have been helping people to uncover the truth on how to kick themselves in the butt. In this course, we're going to touch the combination of both productive planning and mindfulness in order for you to successfully achieve your goals. Because truly, the combination of those two things is the most necessary thing. By saying productive planning, I do not only mean listing the goals on a sheet of paper, which is quite a boring activity. And by mindfulness, I do not mean any highly spiritual voodoo technique that can be used only by shamans in Amazon. In this course, we're going to look at a few different mindfulness and planning methods so that you can actually choose the ones that fit you the most based on your goals and your situation. Because this course is actually all about you and what you desire. We're also going to focus on 5 steps to success roadmap, which can act as a blueprint for you anytime you have any kind of questions or anytime you are unsure about any kind of goal. I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible because I do not want you to drown into fancy planning world. I'm going to be as honest and direct with you without putting you into the nonsense bubble. Does that sound like something that you would be interested in learning? If yes, then let's take a jump and let's start this journey together.